looking for a good life. We just wanna be alright. Try to force the hands of time.
Friends, we've got a mortgage celebration event happening on Saturday the 5th of April, but listen up for the information. There's going to be 2 identical events to celebrate us paying off the mortgage 15 years early. Can you believe it? Praise God. So the first event on that day will be from 1 till 4 and the second event will be 6 till 9. Like I said, they're exactly the same, but the event is a ticketed event, free of charge, but you must ticket on because we've got 150 tickets available for each event. So if you want more information, head to our website or have a look on social media for those sign up links and on Church Suite for you to sign up and secure your place to come and celebrate with us what God has done. Whoop, whoop.
To live in peace, can we find a way to agree that being different is okay? Is it possible to turn around? We're like a ship that's running aground. We're gonna be alright. Yeah, we gotta keep our faith. Be strong and be brave.
Are you new to Excel Church? Maybe you've joined us in the last 6 months or so and you'd like to get to know what's going on here a bit more and get to know leadership. Well, we've got a newcomers welcome evening happening at the Costa Coffee House on Keyway Junction in Willenhall on Thursday the 3rd of April. So that'll be from 6 till 7 in the evening, where you can come, chat to leadership, get to know us a bit more and get a free coffee too. So why don't you sign up in the foyer or come talk to one of the team if you want a bit more information, but we'd love to see you there if you're new to Excel Church.
Learn to smile again. Yeah. It's a wonderful life. We're gonna be alright. Yeah. We gotta keep.
Don't forget that this week is Connect Group, so make sure you connect in with yours. And if you're not already in one, get in touch with our welcome team and they'll be sure to connect you with one. That's all for Excel News, guys, so have a wonderful week.